Drawing the sketch using a center point arc. I'm going to go up and create a new sketch. I'm going to pick in the upper right, get in the XY plane. Now, I am going to set my document settings in this particular drawing to millimeters. I'm going to make sure that I have my snap to grid on. All right. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more. All right. Now, I'm going to go up to create, and I'm going to go to my arc, and I'm going to create a center point arc. I'm going to come down from my center point here. So for my origin, I'm going to place my center point 15 units up for this particular drawing. So I'm going to go up to right there. Now I'm going to come over 12 units. Okay, so I'm going to key in or pick right there. I'm going to drag it down and around. I'm going to key in 180. All right, and I'll pick. And I just drew this center point arc. Now I'm going to come over and choose the line command. I'm going to snap right to the end of that arc. I'm going to drag it to the left. I'm going to go 12 units. I'm going to come down 30 units. I'm going to go over 12 units. And now I want to go up and I'm just going to go up and choose my create, and I'm going to go to the center point arc again here. And I'm going to come down 15 units here and place it right here, the center point. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick on this 12. I'm going to drag it around and I'm going to go 180 degrees. I can key it in or just drag it. Now I'm going to go back up to my line command. I'm going to attach onto here. I'm going to go over 12 units. I'm going to go up my 30 units. I'm going to go back over to my 12 units, and I have finished my sketch. When I do, I'm going to say finish sketch, and you can see here that I can come over here and change my viewpoint, and I have a finished sketch of my part.